My name is Sarah Parker, and I'm an immigration attorney and founder of Hope Immigration. So I started helping immigrants and foreigners while in undergrad at Miami University of Ohio as an international student orientation leader, helping students adjust to and learn about American culture. And then later, I studied at Yonsei University in Seoul, South Korea, where I would spend my Fridays volunteering at a school that was specifically designed for North Korean refugees. I really enjoyed this experience and working with refugees, so once I got back to the United States, I helped refugees learn English at Community Refugee and Immigrant Services in Columbus, Ohio. And then I went to law school at Suffolk Law in Boston, and these experiences helped me realize that I wanted to become an immigration attorney and help immigrants and refugees as my career. Your immigration status affects your whole life. It affects where you can work, go to school, if you can live near family, and just about every aspect of your day-to-day life. And because of this, it's really important to hire an immigration attorney to file your paperwork correctly so that your immigration petition has the best chance of being approved. Well, I really care about my clients as people with unique stories and circumstances. I want to make sure they feel heard and that they're not feeling rushed in and out of meetings. I also take advantage of new technology to make the process more convenient and efficient for clients and to get their application compiled faster and more accurately than by using traditional methods. Some people want to try and file their immigration paperwork by themselves because it's cheaper and they can just kind of do it on their own, and that's definitely possible, but there's a much higher risk involved with that because, for example, you may accidentally file it too late with your current status, or you could make a mistake that would result in either long delays, or you may just get your application denied, even if it was just a small mistake. And that can cause a lot of issues for your future immigration plans. So you really want to make sure that you can do everything you can to make sure it's filed correctly the first time. One way of making sure it's filed correctly is by hiring an immigration attorney because we are up to date on all the recent policy changes and guidelines for filing with the government. Our client management software, DocketWise, will actually automatically upload the newest version of government forms for filing your immigration paperwork. And this is different than if you were to try and self-file because you would have to download the PDF off of the website. And if by the time you get around to filling it out and filing it, the version has changed, it may no longer be a valid form that they're taking anymore. And so when you are working with Hope Immigration, you can know that just by this small example that we're really taking care of your case and staying up to date with the latest changes. Some people may hesitate to hire me because they see me and they think I'm younger and less experienced than older attorneys, but I think because I have less experience, I don't assume that I already know how to do something properly. And this is important because immigration law changes frequently, and if you aren't up to date on the changes, you could make a mistake that would result in a delay or denial of your application. So I make sure that, especially because I'm younger, I thoroughly research your specific situation and make sure we're finding the best route for your immigration journey and compiling your application with attention to detail. Some people worry that hiring an immigration attorney is too expensive, but really the filing fees alone sometimes can be well over $1,000. And you want to make sure that because you're paying so much for the filing fees, that the immigration application is being filed correctly and correctly the first time so that you don't lose out on the fee from the first time you filed it. And also filing on your own will take a lot longer, whereas filing with an attorney, you get that peace of mind. You know that someone else is taking care of it, someone that is licensed and specialized in being able to file these applications, and someone who has access to all the latest information and research on your specific type of application. So hiring an attorney, it really gives you a lot of peace of mind for the money you're spending, and it gives you extra time because things will be filed quicker. And if you have any questions or special circumstances, an attorney can help take care of those. If you hire Hope Immigration, you can be rest assured that you will have an attorney walking with you through every step of your case and zealously advocating on your behalf. If you're interested in hiring Hope Immigration for your immigration needs, or you just have questions for an attorney, please reach out. On the contact page of hopeimmigrationlaw.com, you're able to directly book a consultation, or you can send a confidential email to me through the form. I look forward to getting to know you and walking with you through your immigration process.